Welcome. This is our first official episode of our new video blog, OmegaMatters. OmegaMatters is a monthly blog that we will be putting out about research in the omega-3 space, and it will be hosted by myself, Kristina Jackson from Quant, and Dr. Bill Harris, who is from Fari now, the Fatty Acid Research Institute, a new if you want to say a little something about Fari.
Sure. Fari is as the name says, a research institute focused on fatty acid publications, primarily in the epidemiologic world, linking fatty acid levels to different disease outcomes. And we're exploring the use of multiple databases around the world that will give us new insights into the relationships between the low omega-3 and higher risk for disease.
Yeah, so Quant is the lab that does that Dr. Harris started and that Fari kind of grew out of. And we at Quant do fatty acid testing on all kinds of sample types for researchers, but also we measure the omega-3 index for clinicians and researchers, which is we can do from a dried blood spot, so it's able to be very accessible to people. So Quant can focus on the lab work now, and then we collaborate with Fari to be involved with research as much as possible. And so because of Fari and Quant having such a background in research, in the past, we have come on when large studies have come out, and we've done a little kind of journal club presentation of the study and provided context. And so for this video series, we thought we would just do that on a more regular basis. We will focus primarily on omega-3s because that is our expertise, but we also have expertise in fatty acids in general. And we also might dabble into vitamin D or other nutrients that are in the fat-related sphere. And it will really hopefully be dictated by the researchers that we're able to get to come on our show, on this video blog series, and tell us about their research. Do you want to say anything?
Yeah, great. I think the point we want to emphasize is our goal is to actually interview the primary authors of papers. Some of these papers will be papers that we've collaborated with, that I've been a co-author on, or Dr. Jackson's been a co-author on, but we'll try to stretch out from there to other research that we think is interesting and important in the omega-3 space that we have nothing to do with, and we'll interview those first authors if possible.
Yep, it's very important to see how the research is done and what it means, and that's what we like to do the most, is try and put things in context and say what we can get out of studies and what we probably shouldn't take from studies.